Hi friends, this is Skills 3 Lesson 4. We are going to jump right in with our oral blending. Listen to my sounds, then say them and blend the word together. Shh, ooh. What's my word? Shoe. Make sure that you're doing your shoulder, elbow, and wrist like we always do, and then sweep down over your arm to blend the sounds together. Listen to these sounds. Oot. My word is suit. Good job. Listen to these sounds. Ah. My word is sock. Good job. Listen to these sounds. Oat. My word is coat. Listen to these sounds. App. My word is cap. These sounds are shirt. My word is shirt. Next one. At. My word is hat. My next one is boot. My word is boot. We're going to review our sounds now. That sound is and it is spelled M. This sound is A, and it is spelled A. This sound is T, and it is spelled T. Our new sound is D. Say that sound. D. Try not to say duh. Okay, it is D. We're going to clip that sound off. D. Okay, now say these words after me. Dig. Dog. Dart. Duck. Dull. The D sound is at the beginning of all of those words. Let's see if we can figure out where the D sound is on the rest of these words. Say them after me. Mad. Food. Bed. Need. Said. Now where is the D sound in those words? At the end. Okay, now this time you are going to try to complete my sentences. You have to listen very, very carefully to my sentence so you'll know what word to put in my blank. All of my words are going to start with the D sound. Okay, so listen. When I jump, first I go up and then I come down. Correct. Babies wear diapers. I have a pet that barks, and it is a dog. I'm going to share some information with you. This is a little tidbit that the kids in class usually get to hear. I do have a dog, and her name is Journey. She is my precious little doggy girl. She is hilarious. And if I remember, I will try to send your parents a picture of my dog. Okay? Now, try to finish this sentence. During the day, it is light. At night, it is dark. That's right. A sweet, round breakfast food that has a hole in the middle is called a, that's right, donut. Oh, when I am sick, I go see a, yes, doctor. Okay, to get into my house, I have to unlock and open the door. An animal that quacks is called a duck. Correct. Another word for mother is mom, and another word for father is dad. That's right. We sleep at night and we stay awake during the day. Okay, now we're going to learn how to draw the picture of our D sound. First, you start at the dotted line and draw a little circle from the dotted line to the bottom line. You pick up your pencil and go up to the very top line and go straight down to the bottom. You have to have that line touching your circle or it is not the D sound. This is the D sound and it's spelled D. Okay, so the D sound, we're going to practice writing them right here. And then whenever you are writing the D sound, it's only going to be on the words that start with D, like dinosaur, duck, okay, glasses, bird, doll, and dog. Okay, and here is our chaining. I think that I've done this correctly. I was trying to go back and record at a different spot. So here I'm going to start with our chaining. Hopefully whenever I play it again, it'll be correct. Okay, so the first one, I wanted to do these sounds first. Okay, so add, add. Okay, so that is add. And if we add the first sound to that, it would be D. Add. Okay, say those sounds with me. D, add. Okay, that's dad. Now we're going to take away that first sound, D, and we're going to put a sound there. Add. Mad. Good job. Let's take away the D sound at the end and put a T sound. At. At. Mat. Okay. Take away the sound at the beginning. At. 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 Okay. Take away the T sound at the beginning and put a D sound. And we are add again. Add. Now put the D sound. Do you remember what that word was? D. Add. Dad. Good job. Take away the D sound and put the sound at the beginning. Add. Remember what that word was? mad. Good job. Okay, this is the finish of our lesson, and we are going to start with lesson 5 tomorrow. Hopefully the chaining has gotten easier. It's going to be a struggle at the beginning. It is for me as well as the children in the classroom, so don't fret about it right at the beginning. It's going to take some getting used to. With everything we do, practice makes perfect, okay? See y'all tomorrow.